Top 3 Outdoor Foldable Chair. Top 3. Stable chairs. Durable polyester and sturdy steel frame increases the loading capacity of this chair up to 250 pounds. Multiple safety latches securely lock into place for trouble-free use. Ergonomic design. The ergonomic design helps reduce muscle tension and stress, providing the perfect balance between hard and soft surfaces for optimum comfort. Comfortable design. Fully padded material. Hard arms with EVA wraps for added comfort. Mesh phone pocket under seat. No assembly required. Effortless folding frame for easy storage or transportation. Carry bag included. Top 2. Rocking motion. A set of rocking risers allow you to safely sway forward and back at a comfortable pace as you lie back and relax. Portable design. Lightweight, foldable design makes these an easy addition to your next trip to the park, beach, or your child's next sporting event. Adjustable headrest. A padded headrest comes attached to the head of the chair and can be flipped on or off for an extra element of adjustable comfort. Durable and weather resistant. Features a high, 250-pound weight capacity with flexible, weather-resistant textile fabric for lasting quality. Overall dimensions: 25 L x 36.5 W x 42 H. Weight capacity: 250 pounds. Top 1. Portable outdoor rocking chair quickly and easily folds flat for storage and transportation. It also has a mesh backrest. Sturdy powder-coated steel frame supports up to 250 pounds. Includes padded armrests and built-in beverage holder. Patented spring-action rocking technology delivers smooth rocking motion anywhere outdoors, lawn, patio, camping or tailgating. Opens and closes safely and easily with patented easy fold technology. Includes carry handle. Seat height, 19.7 inches. Open size, 24 by 25 by 34.8 inches. Folded size, 25 by 4.9 by 34.8 inches. Weight, 12.1 pounds. Limited lifetime warranty. Check the description below on where to buy it.